Welcome to the Saturday. A really weird edition of Spotting Tampa International. We've already reached our high for today. It's 57 degrees right now at 9 a.m. Light winds. That's changing with every passing hour. We wake up tomorrow morning with a temperature of 33 degrees. That's not a wind chill. That's a straight up temp. As an almost freezing. There's even a prediction for snowflakes just north of Tampa area. Wind's gonna blow this howl, or I should say howl this afternoon. 20-30 mile an hour. Gust even higher. That's for the wild. Look at even Ward the beaver. He's perplexed as to even what's gonna happen with this weather today. This is crazy. This is in Florida. Let's get into the aviation action. Thanks for being here. Oh, this is an exciting way to start the day. United 757-200 from EWR. Newark, 1,001 mile, 2 hours and 33 minutes. Arriving 7 minutes early. On short final for one left. Barely a breath of wind here. Bombardier Challenger. Destination unknown. Saw in the comments, Cuba is not even going to reach 70 degrees tomorrow. These cold fronts reaching all the way south to Cuba. I wonder if that's going to impact the cigars. Stop over there.
Stop on 1 ready.
365 to the city by the bay, San Francisco, where we will be in 7 days. Horrible wreck on the bridge coming over. Car upside down, hanging over the edge of the bridge. Frightening looking. Hope they were okay.
Got a 365, connect to 416. Have a great day, guys.
2331 to Washington's Dulles. That's IAD airport code. Back-to-back Uniteds. It's going to start out in the park. Looks like everybody either arrived early or I'm late. There wasn't anything really on final or even on the downwind wind leg, so I figured I'd start up here. In the short-term garage, top level, west side. Word is, one right will reopen by Valentine's Day.
Connect 2331, connect to 416.
Ward, our beaver buddy, where are you going? That's a big beaver. Look at that look. I'd like to have a beaver with a look like that staring you in the face. Crikey. We've got a special livery. This is 589 to IAH Houston, 787 miles. Oh no, they're putting him in timeout. Honest, it's the Starlines livery. Super thanks, super shout out time here at Spotting. Super thanks, super shout out to our good friend, Robert Pagano. Robert, how are you? Hope you are having a wonderful weekend. And thank you again for supporting the channel, watching the channel, and being a strong contributor to the channel. It is truly, truly appreciated. We appreciate your kindness immensely. If you'd like to support the channel like Robert just did, please check out the super thanks icon or the PayPal link in the description down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. Like, share, hit the notification bell, ding ding, yep, you don't want to miss a single episode. Uploads each and every day, 7 days a week. We never close around here. We're here for you. Thank you again, Robert. It is truly, truly appreciated. Big heartfelt thanks from the boss and myself. And with all that said, we'll get you right back to the aviation action. 28:52, departed Detroit 2 hours and 14 minutes ago. The pencil, the giraffe, the 757-300. Look at the size of this beast. Is that schlong or what? Oh, we got a big surprise coming up here in about 8 minutes. Don't go anywhere, don't touch that dial. Echo 64 for our 75300.
2321 ground point 7. Better contact. There's 9, there's a couple helicopters over Gasparilla as well. CD8 and Blade, 700 feet. I'm looking.
Yeah, the Gasparilla parade is today. So they got a flock of heliocopters over Tampa. Look at this surprise, 2301 767-300 ER from Minneapolis. Heavy jet time.
Say again? Jet 1447, visual approach, 1 button. Upper 1447 tower, continue traffic composition. Upper 4763, Tampa, 1 hour nautical wave, traffic 8 miles an hour. Nautical wave, traffic 4763, 1 ground point 7 Delta 2301 heavy. Go ahead. That's one question. We work at Bay Shore as well with a parade. We can work with them well. You'll stay with me. Okay. Tampa 4763, runway 1 left, start takeoff. Takeoff on. Runway 1 left, start takeoff. Jet 1447, runway 1 left, start line.
United's 2204. Newark, 999 miles. Oh, lean it. 2 hours, 41 minutes for that 757.
Sun Country 213, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, straight line. 1 left, straight line. 213. 2021, visual 1 left. Clear wings, 2021, just runway 1 left, clear to line. Land 1 left, 2021. Runway 5 Fox Traffic here, clear to the Bravo, ready for the clear, starting your 516, clear,
1514 to Dallas Fort Worth has been cleared. 1 left, northern ops. 929 miles to headquarters, 2 hours and 21 minutes. Airbus A321, average flight time. We hear that Neo in the background firing, starting the engine bolt. There we go. I keep hearing somebody yelling. I was worried. I mean, I'm looking around like, are they okay? Oh, birds on the runway. Birds to birds. Bird to birds. I digress. Yeah, so I hear this yelling, and I can't see anybody. And finally, I look all the way across the parking garage on the other side, and it's a guy on his phone having a big argument with somebody, and I can hear him all the way over here, which is several hundred yards. He's not happy. 2021. Detroit, Motor City. But what do they call this storm up north? Or the Carolinas, a bomb cyclone. I'm hoping once it goes out to sea, it stays out there so it doesn't impact our kids in Boston. Oh, there goes the Beaver.
Wings 2021, north channel 12 down 0.7. I'll get it. 50.7, clear 2021. Out of 589, how are you ready to go?
Ready.
Out of 589, runway 1 left, clear takeoff.
Let's take off 1 left, out of 589.
Star Alliance 589.
Trap BC mile, Eagle 8, 1,200. Yeah, we're talking to my yeah, we haven't been United 589, connect departure, have a good day.
Departure, have a good day, United 589.
Hola, amigos. De Mexico to Mexico City, Mexico. Going max. Pushing off of airside E. That's probably what, 74, 75, the gate number over there. Frontiers 1853. The Flying Beaver. 407 miles, 1 hour to Atlanta, from Jackson, Maynard. International Airport, one of the world's busiest.
Tampa Tower, good morning, JetBlue 2752 is on a 12-mile right dog leg for 1 mile. Flight 2752, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, signal. Runway 1 left, JetBlue
We
2752.
got a dog leg, and now we got a big beaver. Remember Kmart? Their headquarters in Michigan was on Big Beaver Road. Where do you work? On Big Beaver. See you, Ward!
Delta 1279, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff, traffic time off on them. Clear takeoff 1 left, Delta 1279.
1279 Raleigh-Durham Airbus A320. Yeah, congratulations to Delta. Ed Bastian and team did it again. They're celebrating their 100th anniversary last year with record-setting financials. In other words, they made a boatload of money.
Basic sky. Do you have the code? Say again? Do you have the code empty? Negative, I'll work on a handoff. Don't need it. Okay.
Whoa! Is that a seagull? We got birds. We got beavers. We got special liveries. We got it all going on here.
Delta 1279, connect departure, good day. Departure, good day, Delta 1279.
JetBlue 2752 from San Juan, Puerto Rico. Airport code SJU. 1,237 miles this morning. Took this Airbus A320 2 hours and 48 minutes to complete this journey. Winds are slowly picking up.
To northbound on Whiskey, ground point. I'm sorry. Yeah, JetBlue 2752, northbound on Whiskey, ground point.
I can literally feel it cooling down. Air Mexico 1741 Boeing Max 8. Flight radar 24, the app shows 1,200 miles on the nose. Average flying time of 2 hours and 50 minutes. Expecting World Atlantic, call sign Doral, the Mad Dog MD-83. Looks like it's running about 25-30 minutes late. It's drizzling a little bit right now. down there at Airside E. That's Ichabod, the whooping crane. Talk about skinny legs. Hey, Icky, what's happening, dude? 2118-737-700 departed CMH Columbus, Ohio. 2 hours and 1 minute ago. 830 miles.
Airmax 1741, contact departure. Ladder 1752, 1 lost bottom. 508, 1927. North Channel West, ground point 7. Northwest, ground point 7.
Another United. Boeing Max 900 edition. 752 is headed to the Windy City, Chicago O'Hare. Also one of the world's busiest airports. 1,012 miles, 2 hours, 20 minutes. Current temperature, 17 degrees.
Update the speed on runway 82.
With a chance of snow.
United 752, contact departure, yeah. Close departure, United 752. On to your flight 3687, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff. For they 1 left, clear for takeoff, ticket right, 4686.
Crystal is not happy. The Florida Manatee livery. Headed to CVG, Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky Airport. 773 miles, $150 on the flying time.
1 tower, go. Hey, flight 3, radar contact, cleared in to the parallel east to the parallel to altimeter 2999.
This water on the Tampa Bay area, and Tampa Bay will be dropping precipitously. It's going to be cold. These manatees are going to head up into all the canals. We've got a power plant over near Apollo Beach, not far from here, that has warm water. I'm sure they'll be stacked up in there. They do not like cold water.
Ship flight 3687, connect departure today. Order departure, departure flight 3687.
28 takeoff. No clue who this is. They don't show up on Flight Radar 24. Must be a top secret spy mission.
163, kind of approaching the day.
Well, now I got a music problem. Got somebody blasting. It's a parked car. It sounds like 767's finally getting into their gate. $16.52. 90 minutes ago, they were in Houston. 787 miles for the 737-900ER. Boy, is it my imagination, or we seen a lot of United today? Yeah, it's still morning.
129, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, clear away, 1340,
I think we're waiting on one more aircraft. Then we're getting out of here.
Line up and wait. And 3,000, runway 28, safe takeoff.
I feel like I'm leading the choir over here. These guys just won't shut up. Kind of sounds like me. Medevac, Learjet 60. 2-8 takeoff. Well, they make a lot of trips out to the islands from here. $15.56, yeah, the wind's starting to kick up. Cypress Point Park, southwest from MCI. Texas. Southwest 298, 737-700. 98 minutes of flying time for the 928 miles this morning. The winds are picking up. I don't know if you can hear it blowing through the trees. Temps are going down. Boy, it's going to be nasty. Nasty. Oh, not one. We got two on final. Starting to get a little crabbing action as the wind picks up. It's out of the northwest now. $938 from Miami. That's an Airbus A321neo. 30. Oh, watch it there, buzzard. Whopping 220 miles this morning. BDL, that's Windsor Locks, Connecticut. Another 737 700 edition. 2 hours and 59 minutes of flying time from Windsor Locks, 1,114 miles. You guess who that is turning in? Turning final? I bet you once you see the lights, you'll know who this is. We're about 12 miles out. There's a buzzard. Alright, do you know who it is now? Well, that should be a big clue for you right there. It's an international flight. Hey, you're pointing the wrong way. You got to be pointing to our left, not to our right. We got to come back this way a little bit. 36-year-old Mad Dog, the MD-83 from Holguin, Cuba. Call sign Doral, World Atlantic. Here they come.
Yep, tower, helicopter PD, like to be down to the PD ramp. 3000.
Well, gang, as the storm's rolling in, that's a wrap. That's going to conclude this Saturday before the storm, before the freeze edition of spotting Tampa International. Hey, we certainly appreciate you being on board. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thrilled to have you here. Hope you take a moment, smash that subscribe button, like, share, hit the notification bell. Uploads each and every day. You betcha you don't want to miss a single episode. If you want to help support the channel so we can do this nonsense 7 days a week, please check out that super thanks icon or the PayPal link in the description down below where it says more. And as always, we'll see you again tomorrow in another edition of Spotting.
92, Tampa 7, the wind 34013, runway 1 left, clear takeoff. Clear takeoff 1 left, American 3192.